Convenience facilities at Premiere Classe Valence Nord, Bourg-les-Valence. Enjoy a hassle-free stay at Premiere Classe Valence Nord, Bourg-les-Valence, where convenience is a top priority. With daily housekeeping services, you can relax and unwind knowing that your room will always be clean and tidy. The dedicated housekeeping staff ensures that every corner of your accommodation is spotless, allowing you to fully enjoy your stay without any worries about cleanliness.Convenient. Transport facilities at Premiere Classe Valence Nord, Bourg-les-Valence. At Premiere Classe Valence Nord, Bourg-les-Valence, guests can enjoy the convenience of on-site car parking facilities. Whether you are traveling by car or renting one during your stay, this hotel ensures that parking is hassle-free and readily available. The secure and spacious car park provides peace of mind, allowing guests to explore the beautiful city of Bourg-les-Valence and its surroundings with ease. In addition to the on-site car park, the hotel's strategic location offers excellent transport links. Situated in close proximity to major highways, including the A7 and A49, guests can easily access and explore the wider region. The hotel is also conveniently located near the Valence City train station, making it a great choice for those arriving by train. With its excellent transport facilities, Premiere Classe Valence Nord, Bourg-les-Valence ensures that guests have a seamless and enjoyable travel experience. Delicious dining at Premiere Classe Valence Nord, Bourg-les-Valence. At Premiere Classe Valence Nord, Bourg-les-Valence, guests can indulge in a delightful dining experience. The hotel boasts an on-site restaurant that offers a diverse menu of mouth-watering dishes. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty meal or a light snack, the restaurant is sure to satisfy your cravings. With a cozy ambience and attentive staff, dining here is a true pleasure. Start your day on a delicious note with the breakfast buffet at Premiere Classe Valence Nord, Bourg-les-Valence. The hotel offers a continental breakfast spread that includes a variety of fresh pastries, bread, cereals, fruits, and hot beverages. This hearty breakfast is the perfect way to fuel up for a day of exploring Bourg-les-Valence.